Let's draw some support and resistance levels on the dollar yen. So you go to the drawing tools on the left of TradingView and you choose horizontal line, and you add that horizontal line where you see price congestion, where you see prices reacting. And it's obvious that you see here price bouncing, and these areas can act as both support and resistance. Just see them as levels, and you see prices here interact with that area. And let's draw a few of those on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily. These are what I call zones or yellow areas. You can choose any color you want. And it's just to draw an area where prices tend to find support or resistance. You see here the prices rebounded strongly 3 times. So at the 140 yen area, and we can use these yellow levels or areas to indicate on the chart where there is price congestion. You see here prices move up, they break down, they move up, and they break down again. And the yen moved sideways around this area for a long time, and you can use that to make trading decisions.